Welcome! In this video, we'll guide you through the updated process of making your website type as a blog on LinkedIn. This is a great way to showcase your blog and connect with your audience on a professional platform. Let's dive right in. First, open the LinkedIn app on your device. If you haven't installed it yet, make sure to download it from your app store. Once you're in, look for the Me icon located at the top left corner of your screen. This is where you can access your profile and settings. Next, tap on the Settings option. From there, navigate to Account Preferences. This section allows you to manage various aspects of your LinkedIn account, including your profile information. Now, under Profile Information, you will see an option that says Name, Location, and Industry. Click on it to proceed. Here, you can edit essential details that represent your professional identity. After that, look for the Edit icon next to the relevant section. Clicking this will take you to the Edit Contact Info area. This is where you can update various contact details associated with your profile. Now comes the exciting part. Find the field that allows you to add a website. You'll want to choose Blog as the website type from the drop-down menu. This step is crucial as it helps LinkedIn categorize your link correctly and makes it easier for others to find your blog. Once you've entered the website URL and selected Blog as the type, don't forget to click Save. This action ensures that all your changes are stored and visible on your profile. And there you have it. You've successfully set up your website type as a blog on LinkedIn. This simple process not only enhances your profile, but also provides an opportunity for others to engage with your content more effectively. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips on maximizing your LinkedIn experience. Happy blogging!